So Simple Tutorial.
Good morning students, welcome to SST So Simple Tutorial. This is Vijay Singh, your social science teacher for grade 10. This is a part of T20 series where you will practice 20 MCQs. Today's topic is Outcomes of Democracy. I'll be showing 20 MCQs to you one by one at an interval of 10 seconds. All you have to do is to take a paper and pencil like this. As you read the question, write the correct option in the paper immediately. At the end of question number 20, I'll come back with the answers. Okay, so you start doing the questions now. Let us check the answers now. Which one of the following features is common to most of the democracies? All of the above, so option D is correct. Which one of the following statements are true about the democratic government? All of the above again, so option D is correct. Why is there a delay in decision making and implementation in a democracy? Democracy is based on the idea of deliberations and negotiations, so option C is correct. In a democracy, a citizen who wants to know if a decision was taken through the correct procedures can find this out. This is known as transparency, so option A is correct. Which one of the following options helps promoting transparency in the government? Right to information, so option C is correct. Which factor is often missing from a non-democratic government? It is transparency. Transparency is often missing, so option C is correct. Political equality in a democracy can be achieved by universal adult franchise, so option A is correct. Most democracies have failed on which of the following issues? They have failed on corruption as well as giving attention to the needs and demands of the people. So option D is correct, both A and C. Democratic government is a legitimate government. Which of the following is true with reference to this? It is people's own government elected by the people. So option B is correct. In which of the following countries is democracy not preferred over dictatorship? Pakistan. So option B is correct. Which of these factors play a role in the economic development of a country? All of the above. So option D is correct. The rates of economic growth for different countries from 1950 to 2000 were highest among all dictatorial regimes. So option D is correct. What is meant by economic inequality? Unequal distribution of income and opportunities between different groups in society. So option B is correct. In which of these countries more than half of population lives in poverty? It is Bangladesh. So option C is correct. The social outcome of democracy is all of above. So option D is correct. Studies on political and social inequalities in democracy shows that inequalities exist in democracies. So option B is correct. In the context of assessing democracy, which among the following is odd one out? Democracies need to ensure majority rule. So option C is correct. In the context of democracies, which of the following ideas is correct? Democracies have successfully eliminated the idea of political inequality. So option D is correct. Equal treatment of women is a necessary ingredient of a democratic society. This means that it is now easier for women to legally wage struggle for their rights. So option B is correct. Which among the following countries is a perfect example of accommodation of social diversity? Belgium. So option B is correct. This is all, my dear students. I hope you must have enjoyed playing T20 match. Count your scores now and write me in the comment section below. In this channel, besides lessons, you will also get practice MCQs, competency based questions and one shot revision. So subscribe to the channel and stay connected. Thank you. Jai Hind.